These trees know me, and the voice within me